How to prepare for a financial collapse and civil unrest. Survival blueprint for uncertain times. What would you do if tomorrow your bank account was frozen, the grocery store shelves were empty, and the streets outside your window were no longer safe? This is not fear-mongering. This is a wake-up call. Because the truth is, those who prepare now will be the ones who thrive when everything falls apart. We live in uncertain times. Economic instability, rising inflation, political division, and increasing global tensions are not just headlines. They are signals. Signals that something big is brewing. And if you are not prepared, you are vulnerable. But what if I told you that with the right knowledge, the right mindset, and the right steps, you could become immune to chaos? In this video, you will learn exactly how to prepare for financial collapse and civil unrest. Not someday, not when it is too late, but starting today. By the end of this video, you will know how to protect your money, secure your home, safeguard your family, and stay mentally strong in any crisis. So stay with me, because the steps I will share are not just survival tips. They are a roadmap to resilience. And your first step starts now. Understanding the collapse, why it happens. Financial collapses are not just random. They are the result of pressure building up in a broken system. Too much debt, corruption, inflation, over-reliance on digital infrastructure, fragile supply chains. Civil unrest follows economic despair. When people lose access to basic needs, fear turns into anger. Law and order break down. History has shown us this pattern again and again. From Venezuela to Greece, from Argentina to ancient Rome. Understanding the why helps us prepare for the when. Shift your mindset from panic to preparation. Most people freeze when disaster strikes. You will not be most people. Preparedness is not paranoia. It is power. Repeat after me. I will not wait to be rescued. I will be ready. Preparation is not just about gear. It is about mindset. Calm under pressure. Confidence under threat. Discipline in uncertainty. That mindset begins today. The 5 pillars of preparedness. Let us break it down. The 5 pillars of real preparedness are: 1. Financial defense. Build an emergency fund in cash, not just digital. Diversify your income streams. Hold small amounts of precious metals like silver. Keep some assets off-grid and offline. 2. Food and water security. Store at least 3 months of non-perishable food. Rotate stock to avoid expiration. Collect clean water or use filtration systems. Grow something, even herbs, to start the self-reliance mindset. 3. Physical safety and shelter. Secure your home with locks, cameras, and motion lights. Learn basic self-defense. Have a bug-out bag ready with essentials. No multiple escape routes from your neighborhood. 4. Mental and emotional resilience. Meditate, journal, stay grounded. Connect with like-minded people who share your mindset. Avoid doom scrolling. Focus on what you can control. 5. Community and communication. Build local relationships now. Join online groups focused on resilience. Have radios or offline messaging options. If you build these 5 pillars today, you will stand strong when the world shakes. Common mistakes that keep people exposed. Here is what you must avoid. Waiting until the crisis hits to prepare. Believing it cannot happen here. Putting all your money into digital banks. Ignoring mental health while stocking physical supplies. Preparedness is holistic. Miss one area and the rest crumble. The ultimate daily prep checklist. Here is what to do daily. Save $5 in physical cash. Practice a 5-minute mindfulness exercise. Check one piece of equipment: flashlight, batteries, food supply. Learn one new skill: cooking from scratch, reading a map, purifying water. Watch one video from our How You Can playlist to reinforce your mindset. Small actions compound into unshakable security. The power of community preparedness. No one thrives alone. The strongest survivalist is still vulnerable without community. So comment below and share. What is your first step in preparing after watching this video? Read the comments. Connect. Build alliances. Our community is built on shared wisdom, not fear. Like this video if you are committed to preparing smart, not scared. Subscribe to our channel to learn weekly strategies for resilience. And most importantly, keep our How You Can playlist running while you prep, cook, train, or plan. Let it reprogram your subconscious for strength. Preparedness is not about fear. It is about freedom. The freedom to sleep soundly. The freedom to protect your family. The freedom to thrive no matter what the headlines say. Most people will wait too long, but not you. You watch this. You understand the stakes. And now you have the steps. Start building. Start preparing. Start leading. Like, comment, subscribe. And remember, this is not the end of the world. It is the beginning of your resilience story. Welcome to the How You Can movement. Your future is yours to secure.